Hey there, it's Sydney with Tastefully Frugal, and it's been a little bit since we've done a YouTube video. Just a couple weeks ago, I welcomed our third daughter, our fifth baby, and life has been good. Crazy, but good. And so I wanted to get back into doing more videos, and today we are going to be unboxing my Pretty in Pink mystery box from 143 Vinyl. So I put together a bunch of my favorite different vinyls and HTVs, tools and blanks that I get from 143 Vinyl. They're all in this box, and then since we welcomed the little girl, I did all of those in like red, pink color. So let's go ahead and hop in and take a look what's in this box. I will also be doing videos over the next few days, tutorials on how you can, like what you can do with the blanks that are in these boxes that you can use the materials with. So I will link everything in the box in the description for the video as well. So if you were able to snag one of these boxes, but you see something you like, you can still purchase it from 143 Vinyl. I've also included a discount code in the description of the video so you can save some money from 143 Vinyl as well. But let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. All right, so I've opened up the box, and let's go ahead and take our roll of mystery supplies out. We'll start with my absolute favorite blank from 143 Vinyl. It's these color changing tumblers. I love these. They're so versatile, and the quality is really good. I have a bunch of color changing tumblers, and by far the ones from 143 Vinyl are the best. And you can choose the lid color you get. So you get the red with this one, but there's 4 or 5 other lid colors you can choose when you order these. Next, let's take a look at the acrylic keychains. So I have 2 of them included in this box. We're just doing the circle one because it's so versatile. There's a lot of options. And then this rose one is really fun to customize as well. I'll show you how to customize these acrylic keychains with vinyl later this week. I forgot to mention there is a sheet included with every mystery box that shows you everything that's included, the size of the sheets and the colors, so you know everything if you wanted to reorder, if you're just not sure what the colors are. Next, we have a 10-pack of key rings. Obviously, you can use these with the acrylic rounds or any other keychains that you have. We've included a can koozie. These are really fun to customize with HTV. I'll share some fun designs with you a little bit later next week. And then this X-Acto knife is such a versatile tool to have in your craft room. You can use it for opening boxes, but I also use it for cutting down vinyl and HTV as well. And then the last blank is another one of my favorite blanks from 143 Vinyl. It's this Lily-inspired roses zipper pouch. These are such great quality. They're great for holding pens or for keychains, like the blanks, things like that. My daughters love to hold their play makeup in them as well. And I'll show you how to customize the pouch with HTV later next week as well. Let's take a look now at the different vinyl and HTV supplies. So we'll start with HTV. And you have a few sheets of 12 by 24 Starcraft Softflex. First, this is a linen white. I love this white color for like an off-white. And then we have pink and rose gold. So these are all 12 by 24 sheets. And next we have a 12 by 20 sheet of Caesar Twinkle HTV. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the rainbow color. It's you can't really tell in the video, but the sparkle is so pretty on this. I can't wait to show it to you next week in a tutorial. Then we have some 12 by 15 sheets of Caesar Easy Weed and charcoal, and this really fun bright passion pink. Last but not least, we have 2 12 by 12 sheets of blush colored Starcraft Softflex HTV. Next, this is my favorite kind of vinyl by far. It's a Starcraft Magic Deceit. We've got it in fluorescent pink and red here, and this is such a fun product to work with. I'll be using this on the color changing tumblers, and I can't wait to show it to you. I've also included 2 sheets of transfer tape, the Caesar Easy PSV transfer tape. And then last but not least, we have 3 12 by 12 sheets of Starcraft HD matte vinyl in white, silver, and light green. These are great colors to have for obviously the projects we're around, but they're also really good for this time of year with St. Patrick's Day and things like that. So that is all the vinyl that is included. So as you can see, there are a ton of possibilities with the crafts that you can make with all of these materials, whether you're using the blanks or if you're going to use your vinyl or HTV on other blanks or projects that you have. But as I mentioned earlier, I will be doing tutorials for all the blanks, all the projects that you can do with the materials in this box. So be sure to subscribe to Tastefully Frugal so you'll get notified when those tutorials come out. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.
I've also linked everything as well as the colors that are included in the description for this video. So if there is something that you wanted to buy or maybe you want more of, you can easily find that at 143 Vinyl as well. But I hope you have a great day, and I'm excited to share more tutorials with you. See you next time.